Hello students, I, Zubeen, welcome you back on behalf of St. Paul High School. Today in this video, we will be studying about Civics, chapter number 1, Introduction to our Constitution. Let us revise a few things. In the Civics textbook of the previous classes, we saw many reasons why rules are necessary in our lives. We follow norms and rules in order that the activities in the family, our school, our village or city are carried out smoothly. There are no rules in a family. However, there are norms or standard about the behavior of members in a family. There are rules in a school regarding admission, uniform and studies. Different competitions also have their own rules. The administration of a village or city is also carried out in accordance with rules. Similarly, the administration of a country is carried out through a system of rules. The rules regarding family, school, village or city are limited in nature. Do you wish to ask the questions that puzzled Sameer and Vandana? The first, where can we find all the rules according to which the administration of the country is carried out? Second question, who makes those rules? Third, is it binding on us to follow them? See whether you find the answers to these questions in the following video. The book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of the country are mentioned together in a systematic way is called a constitution. This makes the constitution a written document of the provisions related to the administration of the country. It is established by the representative elected by the people. It is bound to carry out the administration of the country as per the provisions of the Constitution. The rules and provisions in the Constitution are the basic or fundamental law of the land. While making laws, the government is bound to follow the Constitution. If it does not do so, then the judiciary can declare those laws null and void or unconstitutional. The provisions in the Constitution are about different things. Example, citizenship, the rights of citizen, the relationship between citizen and the state, subjects of the laws to be made by the government, elections and jurisdiction of the state, etc. Almost all countries have accepted the principle of governance according to a constitution. Yet the nature of the constitution of different country is different. There are difference of history, social structure, culture, tradition, etc. between the countries. Similarly, their needs and objectives also might be different. Each country tries to create a constitution that is not only suited to its needs and objectives, but also in tune with its distinct nature. Some information about the constitution of any one country of your choice with the help of the following points. Name of the country, year of the making of the constitution, and two features of the. Do you know the administration of countries like America, USA and England, UK is carried out as per their respective constitution, but these two constitutions are different. American Constitution came into force in 1789. It is a written constitution and has only 7 articles. Even after 225 years, the American government follows the same constitution. England has a long history of several centuries. The rules of running the country here are found in the form of conventions, norms, and traditions, yet they are followed meticulously. The Magna Carta of 1215 marks the beginning of the development of English Constitution. Even though there are certain written rules, the English Constitution is considered to be primarily unwritten. Simplicity of a constitution. There are several advantages of governing a country with the help of rules or provisions included in a constitution. Government has to function within a set of rules. This reduces the possibility of the misuse of the power and the authority they have been given. A constitution includes the rights and freedoms of the citizens. Government cannot take away these rights. Therefore, people's rights and freedoms are safeguarded. Running a country as per the provisions of the constitution is the same as establishing the rule of law. Then there is no scope for the misuse of power or high handed administration. If a country is run as per the constitution, the faith that the common people have in the government increases. They then become keen, that is, interested in participating in the activities of the government, for example, as voting. Democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of the people. Constitution presents some political ideals before the country. The nation is also bound to act in that direction. It creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security and preservation of human rights. Since the Constitution also includes the list of citizens' duty, it fixes the responsibility of the citizen as well. I hope all the information shown in this video is very much clear. The other part of this chapter will be continued.